Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I make money from the Forex market. It's actually passive income, how I make money from the Forex market. And I don't actually trade the Forex market. Okay, I'm going to show you something that a lot of people actually don't know about the Forex industry, because a lot of people think Forex, they think about trading, right? You trade, you put money into the brokerage, and then you trade, and you either make a profit or you make a loss, trading currencies or trading the NASDAQ indexes, whatever you're trading. And that's how Forex generally works. That's how you make money from Forex. Okay, but there's another way to make money from Forex that doesn't involve trading at all. You can actually do it with absolutely no money. Okay, but if you do have a little bit of marketing skill, you can make some money, right? So I'm going to show you guys something very quick. I'll first show you how much I made here. And just remember, I'm not focusing on this thing at all. This year, I just literally went into my account after 1 year, now in January, and I was like, wow, I made a bit of money here. That's so exciting. So let me show you guys this quickly. Okay, so this brokerage that approached me, they called XM. You've probably seen this logo around, okay? But here you can see in my e-wallet, I've got about $224 that is sitting there. And this money has been coming slowly. I haven't been, like I said, I haven't been focusing. You can see I started receiving money from them on the 31st of January 2023. And I mean, that was small, like $7 and 24 and 25 and 20. Okay, and you'll see there, like every month, you know, I'm receiving, or sometimes twice a month, I receive a bit of money from them, like $5. It's been $5 mostly, most of the time. You can see the last payment came on the 27th of January this year, so it's exactly a year. So now I'm going to tell you how I'm making this money. Okay, so basically what happened is XM, the broker, came to me and they said, Aslam, can you promote our platform? And I said, look, I don't really create Forex content, but I'm going to speak to these guys that run this Forex school down here, okay? And I spoke to the guys at the Forex school and I said, listen, if you sign up with XM or under my XM account, okay, if you sign up as an affiliate below me, I will refer clients to you. I'll help you with your marketing, because my skill set, remember I said my skill set is marketing. So I said, you know what, I'll help you with some of your marketing. And honestly, we didn't do any marketing last year, like almost nothing. It was more like word of mouth referrals. We didn't really do any marketing. But basically, every time in Forex, how it works with Forex brokers, every time someone trades, right? So let's just say this Forex school signs up 25 or 100 students, right? A lot of these students are using XM as the broker. And what XM does is they say, well, depending on how much these people trade, we will pay you up to $25 a lot. So some guys might trade more, some guys might trade less. But the beauty of this affiliate, you know, how these brokerages, these Forex brokerages work and how they pay you, is they pay you whether that person trades and loses money or they trade and make money. Irrespective, you get a commission from all the trades that they make. Just think about how amazing that is, right? So because I signed up these guys, I only make 10% of whatever they make, right? And they use another brokerage. So if I made $224 in commissions, it means they made something like over $2,000 in commissions, maybe even more. I don't know. Okay. But that just shows you how cool this is. And then you know what you can use those commissions for the Forex traders. You can then use those commissions to actually build your Forex trading account. Because when XM pays you, when I withdraw the money that I showed you in that account, this account over here, okay, so when I withdraw this money over here, guess where it goes? It doesn't go into my bank account. It goes into my XM trading account. And then I can either trade with that money. So I can literally grow my Forex trading balance without putting my own money in, just by building my affiliate, my affiliate program with XM. And I can then either trade Forex if I want to, or I can take that money and I can go and invest it somewhere else, which is what I plan to do here. I'm going to invest it in one of my other businesses. There's some tools that I need to buy, so I'm going to use this money to buy those tools. Okay, so you basically saw there, right? So I made about $200 odd, right? And the beauty of, and all these brokers, most brokers, Forex brokers have this. That's why I always tell people, learn skills. My skill is marketing. So I had something to offer to the Forex school, right? Anyone can do this, right? If you learn the skills, right? So some of the people actually teach them how to do this, right? So when you learn these skills, now you go to a Forex school, you say, listen, I'm going to help you get clients. I'm going to do your marketing for you. But, I can get paid by you signing up, say, under this brokerage account. So any clients that come in, You can sign them up under you, but because you are signed up under me, any trading that they do, okay, the Forex school gets commission and I get commission as well. And I'm not doing a thing. Like, I haven't looked at this account in 1 year. And now I find that there's about $224 and it's still constant, because for as long as those people continue trading, and it's even better when they are making money. And that's why I love this Forex school, because they actually teach people how to trade to make money. And a lot of their training is actually free, right? So they teach people how to trade. Now, if people are trading and they're actually making money, what do you think they're going to do more of? They're going to trade more. They're going to trade even more and more, right? So that's the fantastic thing about these affiliate programs that you find with these Forex brokers. And there's nothing illegal about this. This is like some of the best ways to make money online. It's just one of the things I use in the background. It's not even my primary focus. I don't create any content for this. Just this year, I told these guys, listen, I'm going to help you. We're going to start running some ads and that sort of thing. Let's try and grow this. And, you know, if I help them grow it, guess what? Then my commissions also grow. They're teaching people how to trade. Those people are getting what they want because they're making money from Forex market, and we're making a bit of money as well. It's absolutely beautiful, right? So my advice to you is, if you don't want to trade the Forex market, then learn marketing. And you can do this in so many industries. You could go to people that are doing crypto and you could get them clients. Okay, people that are in Forex here, you could get them clients. People that are in other business ventures, you know, everyone wants clients. So if you learn marketing, you can help those people grow their businesses, and then you can do JV deals like what I'm doing over here. And that is how you basically create multiple sources of income, right? So really, really cool. If you want to learn more about this and how to, you know, start online businesses and that sort of thing, even if you're a Forex trader and maybe you want to grow that Forex account, but you don't have enough capital, because I know Forex traders that are very good, but some of them don't have the capital to grow their account, because, you know, the more money you can put into your trading account, the higher your trades can be, the bigger the trades can be. Right? Then you need to learn marketing. You need to learn how to do stuff like this so that you can grow your trading account without actually putting your own money into the account, right? So really, really cool. Hope you enjoyed that.